Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Wormhole tattoo gun, a wireless tattoo machine with a sleek aluminum alloy design and powerful direct drive motor. It features adjustable voltage from 4 to 12 volts and a needle stroke adjustable up to 4.2 millimeters, perfect for both lining and shading. This tattoo pen includes 5 smart functions like a timer, pause, jump start, and automatic shut-off to enhance your workflow and conserve battery life. Speaking of battery, it has a 1800 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C charging, providing 4 to 5 hours of cordless use. The LED digital display makes it easy to monitor settings and battery life at a glance. It's compatible with all standard tattoo cartridge needles, offering a versatile and professional tattoo experience. The package comes with the tattoo pen, charging cord, and user guide, backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.